Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this bear outfit inspo in DTI. So in this tutorial, we are diving into the bear aesthetic, think cozy vibes plus accessories and irresistibly soft glam. So if you want to know how I create this look, let me show you the steps. So first, let's make the hair. So for the hair, I'm going to use three hairstyles. The first one, you can go to the curly category and put on this curly hair. Here I'm going to wear this color and then click on the updo and use this hair. Change it to be the same color, and last one, click on bangs and use this bangs in here. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. So first, I'm going to just go to the dressing room in here and put on a dress from code item, this dress in here, and change the color using this dark brown color. Combine it with the same like the hair color, like this. And then I'm going to put on this boots. Make it the same color like the dress. And here I'm going to put on this bear ears and choose the dark brown and the hair color. Last one, I'm going to grab this teddy bear and toggle it into number 4 and change the color the same with your dress. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can go to the women's sections, and here first put on this leg warmers and change the color in a dark brown, and also this stockings in here, change the color to black. And last one, put on this sleeves. First color the dark brown, second color the hair color in here. So now this is the final look, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.